Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit special. In today's video, we're going to be doing a full complete walkthrough of how you can set up and launch your first dropshipping store. So if you're someone who's never done this before, who's done this on other platforms, who doesn't know really like the in and out of how to actually launch your dropshipping business, in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you as much as I can in as much detail as I can, and I'll show you the exact tools that I use. Now, why should you listen to me? Okay, let's go over that first. Now, I am a full-time dropshipper, and I've been dropshipping for the last 5 years. I've helped countless people build and launch their own dropshipping store. I've helped over 2,000 to 3,000 people personally build and launch their dropshipping store. All right. I am part of Russell Brunson's 2 Comma Club, and I'm part of the Inc. 5000, having helped a company achieve one of America's fastest growing company. All right. Those are just some of my accolades. This is why you should sort of pay attention, why you should care about what I have to say. Another thing is, last month my dropshipping business made 30K in sales with 17K in profit. In total, let me show you guys, my dropshipping businesses have crossed over $180,000 in sales. All right. So this is just a little bit of a screenshot to show you guys why you should pay attention, or even why I'm qualified to give you guys any advice on how to start your dropshipping business. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and cover in as much detail as possible how to start. And I'm going to give you some hacks and some tools that you can use to just launch your first dropshipping store. All right. The first thing that I want to talk about is the tool that you're going to need to use to launch your dropshipping store. Right. So what I want to talk about is this software called shopfunnels.net. Now, what is shopfunnels.net? Shopfunnels.net is the builder that I use to launch and run my own dropshipping businesses. Okay. My businesses run on shopfunnels.com. Now, most of you guys have probably heard about Shopify and ClickFunnels. Okay, these are sort of the two biggest players in the game. Then there's all these, there's Magento, WordPress, there's all of these, but like these are the two big ones, okay? The Shopify and ClickFunnels, okay? Now, I have built very successful businesses on both platforms, and both of these platforms have a big problem. They're too centered around one thing. Shopify is completely centered around building stores that are basic e-commerce stores, and basic e-commerce stores don't convert as well. Why is that? The problem is with these basic e-commerce stores. Let me show you. If you look at a free theme, like this is the type of store that you're going to build. Okay, so if you look at the demo store, if you're running cold traffic, you don't want to be running cold traffic to a store like this. I mean, if this is all the information you're going to offer to someone to purchase your store, some pictures and some this, you're going to have a very tough time making money until and unless your product's already branded and you already have like a viral following. All right, very quickly, the next best option is ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels, not only is it uber expensive, right? Monthly plans are up to $100 a month. The builder is not the greatest. Okay, to be able to build anything on this, it's just like pulling nails. And I have a 2 Comma Club award. Okay, and this is me saying the software, what Russell Brunson teaches, everything is amazing. It's just not a friendly builder. Because of this problem, I had to build my own platform, and this is why I built shopfunnels.net. It is something that basically I wanted to get the best out of both platforms and see if I can make something that works. And this is shopfunnels.net. And this is the only tool you need. Okay. It has a page builder. It has funnels. And if you don't know what a funnel is, we're going to dive into that in detail. It integrates to anything that you can think of. It has e-commerce. So it basically builds websites like Shopify. It has a full-fledged CRM. You can do email marketing. You can do contact tagging. You can build out automations like Active Campaign, and you can build membership websites. Okay. So it has pretty much all of it. Okay. Pricing wise, it's cheaper than both of them. Okay, so for monthly, you only pay $59 a month. This is pretty much what you need. And as you grow, then you grow into a bigger and bigger packages. All right. Now, Shopify might start at like $30, but guys, you can't do anything without the needed apps. Like you will need like a $30 app just to have reviews on your website. Okay, so it's not the best. ClickFunnels anyway starts at 97, and it doesn't integrate to apps. Okay. Whereas ShopFunnels does pretty much all of that for very cheap. Okay. Now, why am I talking about ShopFunnels? Because the way that I'm building the software is, if you go to templates, okay, we are going ahead and building out dropshipping funnels inside of it. Okay. This is a fully built out store that has anything and everything that you would need to launch your business. Okay. And we're going to be building out this entire gallery. I already have one more ready to work. Okay. um to I already have one that's ready to go, and then that one's done 80K. This store has done $200,000 in sales, and what we've done is we've gone ahead and built out their entire landing page. We've gone ahead and built out uh, all of their products. All of their information is right here, and what you are going to need to do is go ahead, change out the product name, change out the description, the images, which is going to be very, very easy, load in the products, and launch the funnel. And this is what this video is going to be about. How do you do that? How do you get your first sales online with 7-figure dropshipping funnel templates already built out? And we're going to be adding more and more to the library every single week. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed and you've liked the video and save this, because we're going to be building out funnels every single week. And what is this? This basically is everything that you're going to need. If you have the product, and then if you go down here, okay, if you go all the way down here, all right, this is a product cheat sheet. But to get access to this product cheat sheet, you're going to need to go ahead and download the funnel. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that first. So the first step in all of this is to go ahead and click get started. Actually, no, go back. Go ahead and click pricing, and then choose what you want to do. All right, so go ahead, click the first or the second, whatever you need, and start for free. Okay, absolutely nothing's required, and then you go ahead and register. I've already registered, so let me go ahead and log in. Also, a quick note is that you don't have to pay anything for shop funnels. At the moment, it is completely free. Okay. So if it's at start free, it might change in the future where the free trials are no longer offered and you have to pay to use. But for now, it's completely free. So you go ahead and click start for free and then just get started. And you don't have to pay anything to actually launch the business. Okay. A lot of these other builders and stuff, you will have to pay to see the product live. Okay. For example, for Shopify, to remove the password, you actually have to give your credit card information. This is not like that. You get completely started for free. Okay, so you go ahead, start for free. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is go ahead and put in your name, right? And then your email address and password, and just go ahead and get registered. All right, guys. So once you register for your ShopFunnels account, you're going to be taken to this page. All right. And here is one of the most beautiful template libraries that has ever been curated, that has pretty much a template for any type of business that you can imagine, right? It's really, really in depth. Plus, it's also sorted on the left, right? So these are all of these different website templates that you can use. Now, to be able to use a similar caliber of website templates, I'm just going to show you what Shopify does. So for example, Shopify, they offer only 13 of their most basic ones for free. But if you want better ones, you're going to have to pay, and they charge $300 to $400 to get pretty much any website template. Okay. And for a beginner dropshipper, that's a lot of money. Okay. So this is why I don't advise jumping into a website builder like this. And for ClickFunnels, I've seen some of the templates and they're not as well designed. And once you use them, they're not easy to work with as well. You're going to really need to be able to learn how to code, or have a coder on your team essentially to be able to work with this. Okay, like they have all of these different funnels. I've used them. The templates are just not as user friendly. Okay, so what you're going to want to do to get started is go to funnels. All right, and then what you're going to want to do is go to 7-figure dropshipping funnels. Now, what is a 7-figure dropshipping funnel, and what are we doing with this software? What we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding new dropshipping products every single week, building out the entire store and giving it to you for free. Okay. And it's going to be right here in these 7-figure dropshipping funnels. All right. And not only that, each funnel will come with its own cheat sheet that has pretty much all the information you're going to need to be able to launch the particular product. Okay. All of that's going to be here. This particular product, this business has generated over $200,000 in sales. Okay, this is the business right here that we've modeled that's generated $200,000 in sales over the last 30 days. And that's the business template that you're going to be using. You're going to be using a very powerful funnel template or business template to be able to launch. And what you can do is launch the exact same products, because we're going to give you the supplier information. We're going to give you all of this information as soon as you download this funnel template. Okay, so let's go ahead and select this and name this ad roller. Okay, now once we've named this ad roller, we've submitted it. Now we have this particular template ready to use. Okay, now go ahead and watch this video if you need to, okay, to be able to understand pretty much everything that you're going to need to be able to use this builder. But it's very intuitive, it's very simple, it's drag and drop. You can customize the length, shape, size of pretty much everything on this page, which is something that no other builder offers. I don't know why Shopify and ClickFunnels didn't start off like this, because uh, someone with no experience can understand how to change things around, how to move things around. Okay, so that's what this is. All right, so I'm going to assume that if you're watching this video, you just want to get started with something that has a really, really good chance of working. So that's what we're going to go ahead and get started with. Okay, now that you have this product, this template loaded, and you want to start selling the same product, what's the next step? Okay, now the next step is at the end of each template, right here is where I've embedded the cheat sheet. Okay, so all you have to do is click this, click edit, click this link, and this is the link. All right, so when you go ahead and get this link, you can paste it over here, and now you have this link ready for you to use. Okay, now what does this link contain? It contains the product name, the product description, the price of the supplier, what price you should sell it at, what your target audience is, what the profit margin is, what are the different types of launch strategies, the Facebook ad link. Now this is very powerful. When you click here, these are all of the current ads that are running for this product today. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can start using ads like this, and how you will get these same ads created for your business. Because if you have the same product, if you have the same ad, and if you have the same targeting, why couldn't you get a piece of this $200,000 market? It's just basic principles. Okay, and this is what this is built on: sound logic and basic principles. Okay, then the setup, how you can set up your entire store, FAQ templates, product stats. Now, when you click here, you'll be taken to this page that has the product stats. Okay, and these are all the different products they sell. Okay, now when you go ahead and click here, you can see the current version of the page that they're using, because they're always testing new things. But this is the page that they were last using, which we've gone ahead and created in here. And this is a great, great page. It looks simple. It is simple. Anybody can use it. Any beginner can start using it. So this is why we've created it for you. But we've made it a lot better, and I'll show you how. Okay, so now that you have this template, you have your cheat sheet open. What are the next steps? Okay, now the next steps are, first, let me go ahead and walk you through the entire platform. Okay, the first thing is Shop Funnels is divided into sections above. Okay, these are the top main sections. Because the first section is the builder section, okay, which is where you go to actually work on your website. All right, the next section is the store section. Your store is currently disabled. Activate now. You have to go ahead and click yes. Okay, now your store is actually activated. Shop Funnels has the easiest setup process ever. Okay, with 4 simple steps, you can launch your business. Okay, on a trial account, you can start collecting payments on 4 simple steps. All right, so that's what we're going to do here. Okay, we'll walk through this as well. Store, and the store has all of these different functionalities as well. It's very advanced, but we don't need all of it right now. All we need to do is launch our dropshipping store. Okay, next thing, it has a fully built out CRM. So what you can do is go ahead, all of your contacts, all of your customer information, all of that will be here. Then if you're running any sort of appointments, if you're a business like a dental practice, or if you're a consultant or a coach and you're doing bookings, all of those will be here, plus your schedule, operator services, all of that will be here. And the last thing, and the best thing, is the email marketing. Okay, you can create advanced automations here, like you won't even believe. Like you can do stuff that you do on Active Campaign, and you can do it inside the software. Okay, so all of that is here. But right now, we don't really need contacts, we don't really need appointments, we don't really need email marketing automations. All we need to focus on is the builder and the store. Okay, so Let's go to the builder first, because this is my favorite part of this software, which is the builder. Okay. In the builder, we have pages, widgets, styling, funnels, funnel settings, and website preview. Okay. What is pages? Pages is all of the different pages that are inside of this website. Okay. It's pretty simple. You don't really need this part of it. What is a widget? Now, these are all of the different items that you can add here. So let's say, for example, you wanted to add an image right under this. You go to widget, you find image, you drag it here, and your image has been added. You select, you upload the image here, and you can add the image. That's how simple adding images is. Okay, if you want to add text, find text, put it here, and you've gone ahead and added text. If you want to increase the size of it, click here, increase the size. If you want to change the color, change the color. Right? It is that simple. Right? I'm going to go ahead and delete it. Okay, that's adding widgets. You can add countdown timers, menus, separators, spacers, forms, stores, galleries, audio files, video files, blogs, embeds, search functionality, countdown timers, anything that you can think of, you can add. All right. Now, what's the next step? Global styling. Over here, with one click, you can go ahead and change the font of the entire website. And with one click, you can go ahead and change the colors of the entire website. Okay, that's pretty much it. But we don't need to mess about with this. All right, you can add fonts, you can change the color palette, website design, layout, page styling. You can get really granular. Now, this is the most important feature, the funnel feature. Okay, now what these guys do to make money, to make this money, is that they sell this product on the front end and they sell these products on the back end. Okay, this is exactly what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead, you're going to sell one product on the front end, you're going to start selling different products on the back end. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video as well. Okay. And then on this funnel tab, you can track how many visitors came, how many sales were made, what are the orders that are coming in, what are the different products you're selling, and what are the top performing products. All of the information that you need to make valuable decisions is all inside this one dashboard. Okay. Next, we have the settings feature. Over here, we go ahead, we can manage the domain name, right? We can look at cookies, applications. These are all sort of very complicated, high level things, not anything that you need right now. Okay. And then finally, we have website preview. If you go ahead and click this and show in a new tab, this is what your website looks like live. People can go ahead here and come and make payments. Okay. This is what your website looks like live. All right. Finally, go ahead. Let's go ahead and click save. And let's go ahead and walk to the next step. Now, let's say you're planning on selling this exact same product. Just because you're selling the same product doesn't mean you can use the same images and the same copy as the person that you're copying it from or modeling it from, right? That wouldn't be the best thing. So how do we go ahead and change it up? We're going to go ahead and use AI tools to go ahead and change all of this up to match our own business, all right? So this is what we're going to do. In your cheat sheet, if you go here and you click to the supplier, if you go down, you'll find the supplier page. Okay. Over here, this is the supplier page. Okay. And this is the person that I would recommend using to be able to actually drop ship this product. It's CJ Dropshipping. They're very easy to work with. And there's lots and lots of tutorials on how to use CJ Dropshipping. You don't have to use the supplier. You can use anyone. This is just the one that I found that actually has lots of listings, like people are actively selling it. And it is free shipping and fast shipping, right? So in 4 to 9 days, your product will arrive, right? So this is a really, really good listing. Good supplier reviews. You can contact them very easily. All of that stuff is here. Okay. So this is the supplier that I would recommend that you guys use. Okay. But the supplier hasn't listed a lot of nice information that we can use to be able to write our own content, right? So what are we going to do in this case? What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and head over to Amazon. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over to Amazon and find the same product and go. Perfect. We've gone ahead and we found this exact same product on Amazon. And a good trick here is if the Amazon supplier price and the CJ dropshipping supplier price is the same, fulfill from Amazon. It's not going to matter. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use a best-selling one. So this one is a bestseller and it has lots and lots of reviews and lots of customer testimonials. Okay. Now, why have we opened this page? Well, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to go ahead and fill all of this information in, but we're going to need to do our own information. Okay. So what we're going to go ahead and do, let's say I'm going to choose this guy as my supplier. Okay. If I choose this person as my supplier, I can go ahead and use all of this same information. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is use ChatGPT to rewrite all of this information for me and create better information that I can use and even outsell the person that was actually selling it in the first place. Okay, and these are the exact prompts that I'm going to use. All right, so the first prompt that I'm going to use is this one. It's pretty simple. I want you to become a product expert with this product and help me with marketing questions that I have. All right, then what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy all of this information. Okay, copy all of this information. Okay, plus I'm also going to copy some reviews. Okay, so I've copied all of this information. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to reviews, go to the 5-star reviews. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and copy all of these reviews as well. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and click this. Now I have basically gone ahead and trained ChatGPT on what this particular product is. Okay, and it's going to understand everything about this product, and it's going to help me with any marketing questions that I have. All right, so next thing is I'm going to go ahead and act as a branding expert and help me come up with an interesting name for this product. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that because I don't want to use the same name as this person, right? Because I don't want to go ahead and steal the name. All right, so essentially there's so many different crazy cool names that ChatGPT has come up with for us. All right. So Core Flex, Max Core, Absolve, Elite Core Roller, Power Roll X, Reba. I like this Elite Core Roller. Okay. So I'm going to let ChatGPT know, use this name for this product moving forward. All right. So now it's gone ahead and it will go ahead and use this particular name. All right. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and hit preview, show in a new tab. All right. All right, I'm going to go ahead and copy all of this information. I'll copy it till the FAQ section, okay? And then I'm going to say, this is my current website copy. I want want you to change it to market the elite core roller. All right, and then I'll put in my entire website copy. And then what it's going to do is go ahead and change everything to the elite core roller. All right, this is how amazing this thing is. Okay, now I have all of the copy, and what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and whatever I think I need to change, I will. Whatever I don't need to change, that's fine. All right. So in stock ships in one business day. Perfect. All right. So in stock ships in one business day. All right. Some things you need to kind of understand. So this is the elite core roller, right? I'm going to go ahead, copy this, the elite core roller. Perfect. All right. Transform your core in just 5 minutes a day or get your money back. All right. Perfect. So now I've gone ahead, it's not changed all of the persuasiveness that was in the copy before. It's just sort of adapted it for us. So this is the perfect and most ethical way that we can go ahead and use something that's already working for us, right? So six pack abs, it's not changed that. It says promotes weight loss. It changed encourages to promotes, right? And then let's just copy this. Promotes weight loss. Okay, anytime you make a mistake, you can just undo, which is another thing that I love. All right, promotes weight loss and visible results in minutes daily. All right, visible results in minutes daily. Perfect. Okay, bundle prices, it's kept the same, which is fine. Add to cart is fine, and then this is the free exercise book, knee mat, and smart timer. All right, so we can go ahead and keep that. All right, I'll even show you guys how to create a free ab exercise book. Okay. Then let's go ahead, and then that's basically what you're going to want to do is go ahead and keep changing every single item on this, right, to match what it's given you. Okay, and frequently asked questions, it's not gone ahead and written it, right? So how soon will I see the results? Okay, so one thing I'm going to ask is, can you answer the frequently asked questions so I can feed them in? Okay, so now it's going to go ahead and answer the frequently asked questions, right? So how soon will I see results? Okay, so let's go ahead and copy this. All right, let's go here. Let's click settings, click the first frequently asked question. How soon will I see results? Then change the first heading as well to how soon will I see results? Hit enter. Just size it properly, right? Um, and then let's go ahead and answer with consistent use, so just 5 minutes a day, right? Okay. And then we go ahead and click save. That's it. That's all this is. All right. And there you go. Right. This is how fast it will be for you to go ahead and fill out all of this information. Okay. For you. Now, the next step is you're going to want to go ahead and change these images. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and show you what all tools you have at your disposal to change these images. All right. So for images, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use your supplier images. All right. So for example, you have all of these amazing images that this supplier has. These are some images that you can start to use. Now, the way that you use images is completely up to you. Where do you get your images for your dropshipping? You can use Amazon, you can use AliExpress, you can use CJ Dropshipping. I would recommend whatever supplier you choose to get your product from, that's where you should go ahead and use this image. For the sake of this example, I'm going to use this image. All right, I'm going to go ahead and save it, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and then change this, because for me, I'm going to use Amazon as my supplier, right? So I want to do the best job that I can to showcase the product in the best of its ability, right? So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to go ahead and put it here. Now, another thing that you can use is you can use AI to generate your own images, or you can do a product photo shoot with an influencer. Now, those are some other key aspects of how you should be able to go ahead and change all of these images. For example, this app called app.assemble.ai, I uploaded the image and I asked it to change it to being used in a home gym. All right. I can go ahead and even change it to being used on an outdoor court. All right. And then I can go ahead and click generate. And then it's going to go ahead and give me different cool looking versions of the same product, right? So this is a nice image, right? I'm going to go ahead and download it. Okay. And then I can go ahead and use, images that I've created myself, right? So it's up to you how you want to go ahead and design your page to go ahead and use for your store, right? And so this is where a little bit of your creativity needs to come in. But what I want to tell you guys is that it's very simple to generate images like this and go ahead and start using these images and start uploading them into your store, and quickly swap out all of the different images that the supplier already has, or this template already has, to give it your own sort of unique look and feel, right? So we've gone ahead, we've saved this, right? And this image is being changed. Now we have all of these other images as well that we're going to go ahead and quickly change for the purposes of this example. And this is not, for example, this, you can use basically anything that you want. For the sake of me going faster, I'm just going to use this images. If you want to use your supplier image, go ahead and use it. If you want to go ahead and get your own UGC images, go ahead and use that, right? This is completely up to you on how you want to sort of just market and sell it. For the purposes of this example, I'm going to quickly download these images, right, from Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting them inside of my template. And again, it's very simple. We're going to go ahead, we're going to put all of these images in here. These are all the images that I've saved. Again, for the sake of an example, I've just taken Amazon images, put them all in here. I'm going to quickly swap all of these out, right? But what I want to show you guys is how easy this is, how simple it is to use, and basically make your own. If you find anything like this, just don't stretch it, right? There you go. And then you're going to want to go ahead and change this as well. Because I want this video to not be too long, I'm not going to change these now, but you're going to want to change these to different images. All right. And then finally, this one, just go ahead and hide it, right? So that nobody besides you can see this, or you can go ahead and delete it if you've already saved the product resource. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide it and now save. Now your page is actually ready to launch. Like, you have a page that's ready to launch. If you ever see this loading, just go ahead and refresh it, and then it will stop loading. Okay, perfect. Now you've changed all of the images, you've changed everything, and now you're ready to go ahead and launch your product. Okay, but you're going to need to do a few more things that will take your business to the next level. All right, which is go ahead and change the upsells. Okay, now, before that, I'm going to show you how to add products and bundles inside of this. Okay. Now, typically, what dropshipping stores do, for example, let's go to this one. Okay. And let's pick a free template. And this is why dropshipping stores fail so many times. Okay. Is you go here, let's say you like this product. Okay. You're going to go ahead and add it to cart. And then you're going to go ahead and view your cart. And then you're going to go ahead and check out. Like, these are 3 steps that you took before you actually gave anybody your money. Okay. The way that we combat that with sales funnels is we do this. As soon as someone decides that they want to purchase this product, as soon as they add to cart, they go ahead and place their order right now. Okay. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our product over here. Now, the way to add your product is simply just click the order form, click products, and click select products, and add a store product. You'll be brought to your store. Then you're going to go ahead and add a product. All right. And we're going to call this, the way that I like to do is I like to sell bundles. Okay. So we're going to do one elite. What's the name of the product? Let's go back. I tried to use ChatGPT to generate images. It's not the best sometimes. All right. So elite core roller, right? One elite core roller. All right. And then we don't need the descriptions or anything, right? I'm just going to keep it blank because the all of the things that you actually need, you've already set up on your funnel. Okay. So elite core, what are we selling it at? I think we're selling it at $59.99, right? So $59.99. Okay. Save. Perfect. Okay. Then we're going to go back to products. I'm going to add another one because we are bundling, right? We have the buy 2 save 10. Okay. So 2 elite core rollers. Okay. And so we're going to do some quick math. So 59.99 into 2 minus 10 is 109, right? So we're going to do 109.98, right? And then we're just going to call this product 2 elite core rollers, save 10, all right? We're going to go ahead and we're going to click save changes, all right? We're going to do the next one as well, all right? We're going to go back to products. We're going to create another one, physical product. We're going to call it 3 elite core rollers. We're going to delete the description. We're going to do some quick math. So this is 59.99 into 3 minus 30. So 149. 149.97. All right. Okay. Save changes. Perfect. So now, and then, sorry, we have to do save 30. Perfect. We've gone ahead, save changes. All right. Now we go back to the products. Now we have all of our products loaded. Okay. We go to builder. Okay. We go all the way down. We click products. And then we go ahead and we add all of the 3 products. We confirm. Okay. And we'll see here that all of our products have been loaded. Now, there's a few things that we're going to want to do here. Okay. We're going to want to go ahead and edit styling. We're going to go ahead and click the order summary. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead, show the product images. We don't want to show these product images. Okay. All right. And then what we're going to see here is 3 different options. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and click edit styling, products. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and allow customers to choose the product to buy. And then we're going to reorder it so that it's 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now, the reason I didn't do all of this in advance is so I want to show you guys like what is possible, right? So all of these things are here. Okay. And apparently free shipping has already been enabled, which is great. You always want to offer free shipping. And that's all of the, now, as soon as someone decides, hey, they want to buy it, they're taken to checkout. How many do you want? 1, 2, or 3? And then that's it. You go ahead and you check out. Okay. it's unlikely someone's going to come here and buy 10 from you. Okay, give them three options, give them the one to pick, and that's it. And with just those steps, your store is ready to launch. But that's not all. Let's go ahead and do the next step. All right, so before you can launch this, the next thing that you're going to want to have to figure out is the upsells. Okay, now what is the upsell? And the upsell is the next page they're going to see right after they check out, right? This is an opportunity for you to make even more money inside of your business. All right, and so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to think about, if somebody's bought this ab roller, what's another thing that they're going to want to buy. All right, so we have some information here on this store that says that people are buying this type of product as well as this type of product right after they purchase the original product. And even on Amazon, if we can see, these products are frequently brought together. So what we're going to do is we're going to decide that we're going to sell these two products right after they purchase the first one. All right, and so we're going to do the same thing pretty much. And for the purposes of time, you're obviously going to want to pay more attention to the way you write your copy and the way that you put your images. But for the purposes of time, I'm going to quickly go through and set up the upsell pages so that you guys can understand how that works. All right, so the first thing is we're going to go ahead and preview this page, and we're going to let ChatGPT know that I'm planning on selling this as an upsell to people who purchase the Elite Core Roller. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and click on this. Right, sorry, where's the second product? Yep, this one. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and copy all of this information again because we want ChatGPT to know this product. Okay. Um, can you come up with a name for this that matches the original product? All right, so we've gone ahead, and now ChatGPT is going to go ahead and come up with the name for this particular product. Okay, so the Elite Core Pushboard. I love this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go with this. Let's go with this name. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of this. Okay, and we're going to be like, can you help me write the landing page copy? All right, and then we're going to go ahead and put all of this in. Okay, and it's going to go ahead and write all of our landing page copy very quickly. Okay, and then perfect, we have this. Okay, so let's go to the landing page copy. Okay, 30-day money back guarantee, Elite Core Pushboard. So now we're going to go ahead and start changing everything very quickly, and it's going to take less than a minute for us to do all of this. All right, so we're going to go ahead, put the name in. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this in as well. Okay, and then we're going to charge $99. It's fine. All right, and for grab the deal, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click edit. And over here is where we're going to go ahead and add the upsell product. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click add the upsell product. We're going to go ahead and store. We're going to stay in save first. All right, so again, go edit, add the upsell product, add the store product. We're going to go here, add the physical product. All right, and then what have we named it? We've named it the Elite Core Pushboard. All right, so we're going to go ahead, add the Elite Core Pushboard. We don't really need this, and we're going to price it at $99. All right, because we're going to get it for $30. We'll add $30 to $40 in margin for this particular product, and then we're going to go ahead and click Save Changes. Okay, then we're going to go back to Builder. We're going to go to the upsell page, which is right here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and then edit, and then we're going to add the upsell product, which is the Elite Core Pushboard. Perfect. All right, and that's it. And then we're going to go ahead and change the image over here to the Elite Core Pushboard. All right, so I'm just going to, for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to use this particular image. Let me actually see if there's another one. because this one might look a little bit weird, but okay, it's fine. We're just demonstrating for the purposes of this video. For you, you should find another supplier, or if you want to fulfill from Amazon as well, that's fine. You can find the same product from CJ if you want as well. If you want, it doesn't have to be this product. You can think about like digital products. If you want to sell, you can sell a warranty on the back end. Like, think about like if somebody purchased this, what is the next product that they would also purchase? That's the thing, right? I just don't want this video to be incredibly long. We're already at 40 minutes. So I want to kind of speed past a few of these things. All right. So now that we've put this in, all right, we're going to go ahead and click save. Okay. And now we have this. All right. So we're going to go ahead and, what you're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and change all of this as well. Okay. And then you're going to, again, there's another button here, edit, and then change the upsell to Elite Core Pushboard. Perfect. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and click save. Then the next is the downsell. Now, what is the downsell? Now, if somebody decides not to purchase the upsell, they're taken to the downsell. If they decide to purchase the upsell, they're taken to the next upsell. All right. So that's how this thing works. All right. So now if they've gone ahead and purchased the upsell, they were not even going to see this page. But let's say they decide not to purchase the upsell, they're going to go ahead and see the downsell page. And on the downsell page, what we're going to do is we're going to offer the same product at a slight discount. All right. Because what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to incentivize them. Hey, why didn't you buy? Right. So get your Elite Core Pushboard for an extra $15 off. All right. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to make this a little bit smaller. Okay. And then, so the original price was $99, right? And now we're going to give it for $15 off. So that's around $84. All right. And then for buy now, we're going to click edit. We're going to add the upsell product, which is the Elite Core Pushboard, but we're just going to go ahead and override the price. And then we're going to make it 84. All right. That's how you can reduce the price without going ahead and changing it on the store. Then we're going to go ahead and click save. All right. Then you're going to want to go ahead and repeat the process for upsell to and downsell to for this other product, the mat. All right. And then when you go to the thank you page, there's nothing really here. If you want to put your socials, perfect. Your order will be shipped soon and we'll notify you via email. And then you are done. Your website, your dropshipping store is ready to launch. All right. A few final things before you can actually start is go here and connect your payment processor. So all you have to do is click this, add your payment processor. You can add Stripe, PayPal, whatever you want. Right. And then you're going to want to go here back to your store. Give me 1 second. All right, then you're going to want to go ahead and add some store details. So go ahead, click add here, and then just put in some of your details. This is not necessary, but it will be good if they can see these details because your store will send out automated emails when somebody purchases, right? So it's good to add all of this, right? Add some general, this is pretty normal. Like for shipping, this is something that's pretty important. You're going to want to add. This is probably already added to your store because I think I added it to the funnel, right? So you're going to, if this doesn't exist, if shipping option doesn't exist, all you have to do is go to shipping, call it free shipping. All right. And then you're going to want to make it 0 to 100,000. Okay. And then click confirm. And then you're going to offer free shipping to your customers. And if you want to set up different shipping rules, it's very easy. Based on price and weight, you can set it up for different countries as well. All of that's here. Okay. Then you can do tax stuff here. This is where you add payment providers. You can add your privacy, refund, and terms of service here. All right. You don't need to do all of this. What's most important is just adding your store details and adding your payment information. All right. And I think that's pretty much it. Let me just see if there's anything else. No, that's it. You've created your products, added your payment processor, added store details, and shipping products. And that's it. Then now there's a lot of more stuff that you can do. Like you can add your domain name if you want. You can go here to this, and then you can go to domains, and you can just add your domain name here if you want. Just connect an existing domain. But what I'm saying is you don't even have to do that. If you're just running traffic from Facebook or TikTok or anything, this is all you have to do. Add to cart, go here, put in your information, Stripe will show up here, and then you're ready to go. Guys, this has been the most in-depth video I think I've ever made on this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. do me a big favor. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, leave any questions down below that you guys might have. And I'm looking forward to answering any questions that you have in the comments. This template and many more are going to be available on Shop Funnels very soon. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Leave a like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.